Jax, dance.
With the worm in his finger.
Yeah, fist pump, baby. Look at that. He got the worm, eating worms in his right hand and fist pumping with his left. Man, multi-talented this guy. Anyways. Oh man, what a stressful week. Anyways, what's up, y'all? Welcome to another episode of the vlogging channel. Everybody say hi.
Hi.
Everybody say hi.
Hi.
Say hi.
Hi. I'm eating
Say
candy.
hi.
Hi. Go, man.
Oh shoot. Look, it's red light. Now it's good to go. It was a railroad. We just went over a railroad, and back in the olden day, when you go over a railroad, you gotta like hold on to something wooden. But see, these cars don't have anything wooden anymore. They're all plastic. Wait, was it wood? No, it wasn't wood. It was screws. Oh man, I'm so fired. You're supposed to touch screws, babe. You're supposed to touch a screw, okay? When you're driving over a railroad, you're supposed to hold on, like touch a screw or something like that. I forgot. It's been forever. I'm 42 years old, so it's been about, let's see, 33 years when I was 9 years old. I'm old, anyways. I'm not 42. But it was forever ago when I was told that little myth, superstition, it's good luck, and if you don't do it, then it's bad luck. And I did it when I was a kid, and look at me now. I'm like multi-millionaire. I mean, what can I say, huh, man? Shoot, it works, man. I'm telling you, it works. You guys should do it.
Watch the jogger.
Oh shoot, jogger. Say hi, jogger. Say hi.
That guy's like, what the hell?
Totally clueless. I don't even know if we caught it on camera because it's so dark. Anyways, alright, y'all. Thanks for watching another episode. And I will catch y'all tomorrow.
Bye.
Say bye.
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 Wave. Goodbye.
Bye.
Look at that. We just got done buying some drinks because tomorrow is potluck. Woohoo! Thinking of using a cheat day. Should I? Maybe. We'll see. Alright, y'all.